Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about addition of signed binary numbers. What is meant by signed? Either we can get a positive number or negative number. So signed binary number in the sense we are converting the decimal number into a binary form and we will perform the addition and subtraction process, addition of positive and negative number. So signed means either positive number or negative number. So that too, 2's complement addition. The meaning of 2's complement addition. What is the meaning of 2's complement? You know how a number will be converted into a 2's complement. Suppose, for example, the decimal number 4. Okay, how will you write it in the binary form? You know the methodology. 2 2's are 4, remainder 0. 2 1's are 2, remainder 0. So you have to write from here, from top to bottom. So the answer of the decimal 4 will be converted equivalent to 100. Now here 2's complement. So this is binary form. Okay, this is binary form. How will you perform 2's complement means? First, we have to convert it into a 1's complement. Okay, first we have to convert it into a 1's complement along with plus 1. So, what is 1's complement? If a number is 1, 0, 0, the 1's complement of the number is 0, 1, 1. The meaning is 1 will be converted into 0 and 0 will be converted into 1 and again 0 will be converted into 1. So, this is 1's complement. So, 100, the 1's complement of 100 is 0, 1, 1 and add 1 to the LSB. LSB means what? Least significant bit. Okay, LSB is what? Least significant bit. If I add 1, you will get 10 and here 10 and you will get 100 again. Okay, so the 1's complement of 100, it will, sorry, 2's complement of 100 will be again 100. But if you write a n number of bits, it will be converted easily. So we'll see it in the example. So here we are going to perform 2's complement. So you just remember 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. That 1 should be added in the least significant bit. So to add two numbers, add the n bit. Okay, each and every bit. This is 0th bit, first bit, second bit. So n bit streams including their sign bit. Sir, what is the sign bit? Because this is a signed binary number. As I earlier said, the binary representation of 4 is 100, but you have to write it as 0, 1, 0, 0. Sir, why this 0 will be added extra means the most significant bit MSB indicates sign. Indicates sign. This sign means either positive or negative. Okay, here in the MSB, the most significant bit is 1. If the most significant bit is 1, then it is a negative number. If the most significant bit is 0, then it is a positive number. While solving the example, we'll elaborate more. So including their signed bit. So to add two numbers, you have to include the signed bit also and ignore the carry bit. If there is any carry generated, so you have to ignore it. Okay. So if any of the operand is negative, addition means positive number. Okay, positive number add with positive number. Sometimes positive number addition with a negative number. So what you have to do, you have to convert it into a 2's complement. So what they are trying to say, for example, A plus B, A is a positive number and B is a negative number. What I have to do, this negative number is converted into a 2's complement. 2's complement means then we before doing we will treat it as if you find a 2's complement of the negative number, it will become positive. Okay, so that is what they are trying to say. I will explain you two examples. Just before that, you just remember the rules. So if any of the operand is negative, then convert it into a 2's complement before addition. And if the sum is obtained negative, then again it will be converted into a 2's complement. Otherwise, the result will be algebraic sum. If you add two numbers, the result will be algebraic sum only. Algebraic means normal sum only. Suppose if you add two negative number, obviously the result will be negative. That is what they are saying. If the sum, this is sum, right? If the sum is obtained negative, then again it has to be converted into a 2's complement. Then only we can get the original value. Okay, then only you will get the original value. So we'll see with an example, then you will understand it quickly. Okay, so let us take an example. So the next first example which I am going to take is two positive number. So the first one is a 9. So normal and positive. So this is a decimal number. So 9 plus 22, the answer is 31. But I am doing it as a signed what? Signed binary number. So how will you convert the decimal number 9 into a what to say, ones complement binary notation? So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, it will keep on going like this. 2 power 0 is 1, here it is 2, here it is 4, here it is 8. The input is 9. So if we add 8 plus 1, it is 9. So the rest of the bits are 0. So it will be, you need not to do like 9 again 2. This is the another way. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, and 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, and 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. You have to write from here, or else in this way. This way is very important. So binary number is a what? It is either 0 or 1. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So the 2 power 0 is 1, 2, 4, 8. If we add n, what are all the numbers? If I add, I will get the result as 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So in this position, I will make it as 1 1, and the rest of the position is 0. And next one is 22. The same thing. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So the maximum bit is 15 if we make it up to 2 power 3. So 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is 16. Now you can add what are all the numbers, it will become 22. We can make it as 16 plus 4 plus 2. So the input will be 1 in the 8 in this position 0, and in this position again 1, in 2 1, and again 0. So by representing 22 you need 5 bits. By representing 9 you need 4 bits, but it is a signed positive number. So it is a signed positive number. Definitely I will add one more bit. That bit indicates positive or negative number. So 22 will be represented as 100, sorry, 10110. I will add one more bit in the most significant. So the binary representation of 22 is 0 1 0 1 1 0. What about 9? 9 is 1 0 0 1. So you have to take which number needs a maximum bit. 22 needs a maximum bit. So the 9 will be converted into a equivalent 22, which means equivalent number of bits to represent 22. I will add one more, 2 more 0. Now you add 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 0 1, and 0 plus 0 0. Fine. This indicates sign. So 0 represents positive. What about this? This indicates a number. What number? So you know that 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 is 16, here 8, here 4, 2, 1. Now 5, 1 will be there. So all the position it will become 1. So 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. The answer is 31. Got it what I am saying? So I am going to add two numbers. The two are positive numbers. That is very important. And 22 to represent 22 in a binary form, I need 5 bits. But actually I have written here a 6 bit. Why? Because the most significant bit includes a sign. So that's why they are saying signed positive number. The two's complement signed positive number. Sir, here you are not taking two's complement. I don't want to take two's complement because I don't have any number as a negative. I will take another example. See, the another example is minus 9 plus 22. So this number is positive. I am going to add two numbers. This is a positive number. This is a negative number. Now I will explain you. You know the binary representation of 9 is 1001. And one more thing here, like I have to, this is the maximum number of bits to represent 9 is 4. 4 bits are needed to represent 9. But I have to include one more bit. That bit is called as signed bit. So if it is a, what to say, if it is a positive number, I will include here 0. But how the 9 will be converted as a -9, positive number will be converted as a negative number, 1's complement plus 1. How will you perform 1's complement? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So 1 will be converted as 0, 0 will be converted as 1, and adding 1 to the LSB. So 0 plus 1, 1, here 1, here 1, here 0, and here 1. So the -9 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. What about 22? 22 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. But I will always say 22 needs 5 bit. But to represent it as a signed bit, we have to include one more 0. But here we have to include one more 1 because it is a negative number. Even if you add so many zeros to the MSB, when you are going to convert it into a MSB, so it will become what? Negative number. So what to say, like any number of zeros are added here, that all will be converted as a 1 and 1 will be added, you will get this number. So fine. So now you add this. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 10 and carry will be forwarded here. 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. And 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 0. And then 1 plus 1 is 0. And 1 is the carry we have to remove. Because what is that previous the thing? If any operand is negative, then convert it into a 2's complement before addition. And we have to ignore the carry bit also. So I will ignore the carry bit. So I will ignore the carry. So the answer is what? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Fine. Now the answer is actually, see that most significant bit. Which one is the most significant bit? The most significant bit is this one, 0 and 0. Okay, you can have any number of zeros, but 0 means it is a positive number. Where and all the 1, 1, 0, 1. So here 1, 1, 0, 1. So the meaning is 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Obviously, if you are doing it by using decimal addition, you will get the answer as plus 13. Got it? Because the most significant bit is 0. If you remove this bit and take this one, and you can take it this as a most significant bit. Okay, it is 13. Why? Because to represent 13, I need 4 bits. So the 5th bit is indicated as a signed bit. That's why I have taken this bit as a MSB. Okay, signed number is very important, either positive or negative. So not only we are going to stop with this, we are going to see so many examples. So here -9 plus 22, so that's not an issue. So it will become very easy. But whereas if you get +9 minus 22, we'll see that example. Okay, +9 minus 22. Let's see what is the output you are getting at. Okay, so now the input, the input is what? +9. Okay, the input is +9 and then -22. Actually you are adding 9 plus of -22. So that is what in the rule book they have said, that if the operand is negative, convert it into a 2's complement before addition. So what I will do, the actual meaning is here a plus b. A is 9, b is -22. Okay, so -22, what I will do, I am taking 2's complement. How will you represent 22? See here, to represent 22 means 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. But one more 0 will be added as a MSB to check the sign. Okay, to check the sign. So this is +22. So when we convert it into a -22, first I will convert it as a 1's complement. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And I will add 1. So 1 plus 1, 10. So here 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So the number is 1 0 1 0 1 0. So here is 1 0 1 0 1 0. I'm saying for minus 22. This is the actual value of minus 22. The meaning is 22 will be converted as minus 22 means you have to take 1's complement plus 1, or minus 22 should be converted to plus 22 means again this will be taken as 1's complement plus 1. The meaning is minus of minus 22 becomes 22. Okay, so whatever the thing you can convert it into a one form into another form. What about plus 9? So the plus 9 actual answer of 9 is 1001. Since it is a positive number, I will add 0. So 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, and 0 plus 0 plus 1 1, and then 1. See here the most significant bit. So the most significant bit is positive. Okay, so the most significant the most significant bit will always be 1, either 1, but we don't know where we have to stop it. So 9, actually 9 minus 22, you will get the answer as minus 13. You know what is the answer of you know how to represent 13. So the 13, you should not directly substitute this into here. So you know the decimal value 13, minus 13. The answer is minus 13. So the actual binary representation of 13 is 1001. So you will add two more zeros because here 6-bit is an answer. So why I am saying this, you have to check this. 4 bits are needed to convert this as a 13. So I have to take only 4 bits. 5th bit will be taken as a signed bit. So the actual answer is 10011. So the thing is, okay, 10011. So this is the representation of 13. Okay, so wait. So the thing is, so this might be a negative number. Okay, so what I will do now, I have to convert it into a 1's complement. Okay, because the output should be definitely minus 13. Got it? So what I will do, like to verify it whether you will get a minus 13 or not. Okay, so the thing is, to represent the plus 13, 001101. What about the minus 13? Convert it into a 1's complement, 110010. Add 1. So 110011. So the same answer which I am getting here, 110011. So obviously this will be minus 13. Okay. To check whether the given answer is, so wherever the most significant bit is 1 means definitely it will have a minus 13 only. Sir, if I substitute 1 1 in this format, I will get a different answer. Yes, you will get the different answer, but you have to make sure that whether how many maximum bits are needed to represent the output. That is very important. If you don't know that, so it will be very difficult. We'll see one more example. So this example will going to add a 2 negative number. Okay, we're going to add a 2 negative number. So if you want to add 2 negative number, so you have to take a 2's complement of both the number and you have to add it. Okay, so let us see that. Okay, see here what example I am going to take. I will going to take minus 9 plus minus 22. Obviously the answer is minus 31. See, you know 9. The meaning of 9 is 1001, and this 0 is represented as signed bit. Okay, so the 22, you know what is 22? 22 is 010110. Converted into a 1's complement, 101001, and add 1. So you will get 1 plus 1 10, and you will get 1010. So here the answer is 101010. Okay, and then minus 9. Minus 9, the maximum number of bits to represent 9 is plus 9 is 4, but here this is 6 bits, so I will append 20. How will you convert it into 1's complement? 110 1 1 0 and add 1 and 1 1 0 1 1 1. So 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 10 and 1 plus 1 10 and 1 plus 1 10 and 1 plus 1 10. So 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 will be there. You have to ignore the carry. This 1 will be ignored. So this is the answer. So now here 1 represents obviously the negative number, but I want to convert it again into 1's complement, and if you add plus 1, so what I will do, what I am going to do, I will make it as, so 1's complement, so 0 1 1 1 1 0. If I add 1, you will get 0 1 1 1 1 1. You know that like the maximum number of bits is 5. This 0 will be a signed bit here, 0. Okay, so like you will get 1 1, sorry, how many ones? 5 ones. Okay, so the thing is like, you know, the answer of the answer should be written in the negative form. Here the thing is, here minus 31, you know the actual 31. How will you represent 31? So 31 will be represented as 5 ones. Am I correct? Plus 31 will be represented as 5 ones, and this will indicate the sign. Now how will you represent minus 31? So 1 0 0, sorry, 5 ones, right? Here I have make it as 6 ones. So 1 1 1 1 1. This 0 is a plus 31. So if you convert it into a minus 31 and add 1, you will get 1 0 0 0 0 1. So that is what you are get answer. So this will be indicate as a negative sign, and then like the answer will be written in the decimal notation. So that is what the rules are very clear. If the sum is obtained negative, then obviously the result is in a 2's complement. So the same here. So if the sum is obtained negative, so the result is in 2's complement. Here also the sum is obtained negative, the result is in 2's complement. But here the sum is positive, which is not written in a 2's complement. Again, you will get the minus 9 plus 22. The answer is plus 13. Obviously, the result will not be in a 2's complement. Okay, so check the rules clearly and solve it. Okay, so this is what the basic multiplication of positive number. Let us take whatever I have done, that I have given here as the example. To go through this will be very easy. So this is the final answer, whatever we done it. But if we here they have taken 8 bits, they constantly taken all the numbers are represented as 8 bits. But I have not taken in that form. So if you want, you can solve more and more problem. Then only you will understand the 2's complement addition. It's very simple. If any of the number is written in a negative, you have to convert it into a 2's complement and perform addition. Or if the output is negative, if the output, that is called as sum. Okay, if the sum is negative, then definitely the answer is written in a 2's complement form. So that is what, see here, 2's complement, adding with 2's complement, the output will also get 2's complement. So positive number and 2's complement, the output will be 2's complement, because this number is greater than this. So I hope you will like the video. So if you like the video, please click the bell button and click the like button and share it with your friends. I know the video is bit lengthy, but you read the line, each and every line, and you can perform it. Thank you all.